Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Edelmetallmesse, precious metal fair here in Munich, and Commodity TV is still here. And now we have SilverCrest Metals with us and Eric Fier, who is the president and CEO of the company. Welcome, Eric.
Great, thanks for having me on.
Yeah, thanks for taking the time. SilverCrest Metals, what's the company about? Maybe you can elaborate a bit of your history, because I think you're a spin out of First Majestic, right?
There's an old SilverCrest and a new SilverCrest. We're the new part. So the old part started in 2003, did a transaction with First Majestic and was taken over. Ended up owning 25% of First Majestic in 2015.
Okay.
So this is the SpinCo. We've spun out 6 properties, some cash. We got the tiger by the tail right now with a new district that's right next to the mine that we discovered and put into production.
Okay, this is where in Canada, or is it?
No, this is in Sonora, Mexico.
It's Sonora,
so,
Mexico.
yeah, we are a Canadian explorer and developer in Sonora, Mexico.
Okay, perfect. So I would say you're anyway in elephant territory, that's for sure. Great. Yeah, so please tell us a little bit about what have you achieved 2017, what have you done?
So we did our initial discoveries in 2016, so there was a lot of excitement. Our share price went from 15 cents to $4 last year. So we were the top performer on the TSX Venture Exchange in Canada. And we've come off from that after the euphoria of discovery. Now we're doing all the hard work. We're into our phase 2 drill program. We've drilled about 30,000 meters of drilling. That's all getting put into a resource that we're putting out next February. Our resource numbers that we're targeting is somewhere between 30 to 50 million ounces silver equivalent. The equivalency is just based on gold and silver, and the value is about half and half. So it's these, and the whole story about the flagship that we're calling it is Las Chispas, just north of the mine that we produced, and we're here to do it again, and it's all about high grade. So our average grades for that resource, look for it, should be somewhere between 400 and 500, which is a half a kilo silver equivalent.
That's a lot, I would say.
Those are high grades, and we're putting out bonanza grades. We're just going to keep putting out high grades until we drive ourselves right up to the resource.
Wow, fantastic. You have also some base metals linked with it, or it's like silver gold play?
This is an epithermal system, very typical silver gold play.
Okay, great, perfect. Let's talk maybe about first of all, about some financing stuff. Talking about what is money in the bank, what are your plans to do then?
We currently have $3 million in the bank. That'll carry us through to resource. We may top up the bank account, between now and then, but not a lot. And we'll look at a financing after we get the resource out, which will drive us right up to construction. So we're fast-tracked. We did Santa Elena in 4 years from discovery to production. We're on the same schedule at Las Chispas, 4 years, and we're about a year and a half into that. So by next year, 2018, we should be into our PEA, preliminary economic assessment, and pre-feasibility work. Then we'll tie that into some feasibility work in early 2019, finance, and we're off to the races at that point.
Perfect, perfect. When you say finance, do you have already, let's say, a sense of the Capex? I know you cannot say detailed, it's a forward-looking statement, but are we talking about, let's say, 50 million, 200 million, 500 million? Yeah,
we're looking at producing, I'll just go from a production standpoint, about the same as what they're doing at Santa Elena right now, which is 5 to 6 million ounces per year silver equivalent. Okay. And that's at a rate of about 1,500 tons per day. Santa Elena I built for $65 million 4 years ago at 3,000 tons per day. So we're thinking we're going to be somewhere around $40 to $50 million capital to put this thing.
Yeah, but it's absolutely manageable. I mean, that's really a no-brainer then.
For high grades, our market cap right now is around 70 million Canadian, with a lot of more success for the next year and a half. Building out, there's huge potential on the property to continue to grow. So you get a lot of more sexy news out there. You look at a much more robust market capital, and then you're off to the races for financing this thing. So we've done it before. We're here to do it again. And when I say again, I love to build wealth for shareholders and the communities that we work in.
Fantastic. There was a great final sentence. Thank you very much on that. I really like it because it's straight to the point. You have a total game plan what you want to do, and I like it. And we should talk latest PDAC again.
You bet. We'll be there.
we look forward to the resource, definitely. Thank you very much. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was SilverCrest, the Metals Eric Fier, the president and CEO, and you heard it. They have a straightforward game plan. I really like to hear that because they really know what they want to do. They want to execute on that. The resources are there. The reserves are coming up. They are drilling. The 43-101 is coming up. And yeah, then the PEA, the bankable feasibility study is coming. And we heard it. I would say something in the order of, let's say, around the $50 million is the Capex probably. That's absolutely manageable. 400 to 500 grams silver per ton. Also fantastic grades. And Sonora Mexico is anyway a no-brainer. So check out the company. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Munich.